Offshore, huh?
Yeah.
How long?
Tune in and just get out there.
Eyes low. Take a breath.
Just send me that one. That's a sick one.
I love how it's like a little bit, it's like mellower and almost like angelic, emotional.
A little bit of everything in there.
Yeah. Griff, what's your intention for the day, bro?
My intention today is to be relaxed. First session I had at Pipe, I had that like relaxed mindset. Got on a bunch of like fun little waves. And then when it was good the other day, I saw my friends start getting like mental ones. And I fully went into just like freak out mode. Like, I need to get one. The difference in mindsets, that like relaxed just works so much better than like that. Like, I gotta paddle for every wave that comes through, you know?
Yeah. It's a power move being able to be super relaxed at Pipeline. You're about to get the best ride of your life? No way. Oh my gosh.
Holy shit.
Oh, that was a perfect peak. You see that thing?
I'm down in the New York house right now.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Watch out! Watch out! How quick can you get ready?
Fuck this feeling right now, huh? This is what we live for.
This is it, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't even matter if we get a good one. This is all. This is what
We
it's
already
about.
got the feeling.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's as good as it gets. Yeah. Trying to stay relaxed.
See the barrel.
Oh my god, look at that right. Oh. This is straight up some of the nicest pipeline I've ever seen. Right now we have a small window. Intention is just to put myself right in the spot and just send it. There's no time to waste. The sun just kissed the lineup. Usually when the sun hits pipeline, it gets substantially better. It's already pretty freaking good. Oh my god. West swell I've seen a pipeline in a really long time. The best winds, it's just pumping offshore. Boys are psyching. We got Griff, Crosby, Cage, Cole, so many boys in the house. It might be like the day of the year. Let's go ask Travis what he thinks.
Trav, we want the report. How's it looking?
Looks like it's getting better and better, and at some point it could be the best all year. Kind of fine.
Oh my, we just double up the hell. Dude, this thing's a...
Who's going? Eli!
Oh my god.
Go Eli!
Oh my god. Oh, psycho.
Double.
New board, yeah?
New board, brother. The Eagle. Time to fly.
The whole family of spiders on this craft.
Maybe you'll get bit and it'll be like nice little Spider-Man action.
A little pipeline Spider-Man.
Yeah.
That's what they call me. Are you riding?
I'm gonna ride a 6'6".
Ooh, I got a question for you. When you're out there, you paddle over a wave, and you see the bomb, what is like your internal dialogue?
Let's see. Well,
Like, is there fear? Is there like I'm talking like a capping the wave of your life kind of thing. What's going on when you see that?
kind of just like definitely feel like a surge of like excitement slash nerves. You know, it's a chance to get a crazy wave, but also a chance to die. So it's like most of the time there are not many thoughts, because it's just like it's a life or death situation.
Yeah.
Thoughts kind of just go to the side a little bit, and you're just like reacting off instinct. I don't know, I kind of try and like slow myself down, almost like relax into it.
Yeah, I like that slowing down, because I found that like I go over the wave, sometimes I'll get that shiver down the spine. Oh fuck! And then if I'm not in control of that, that easily turns into nerves, and like I can't think super straight. I can't make that decision to go or not like super clearly. But if I like slow down and drop into it, then I'm like adds like the slow motion factor. What's your intentions for this session?
Probably just enjoy like all of us suiting up, getting ready together right now, like paddling out as kind of like a posse, and like have this feeling like in the house. Now that we like have that, like taking that into the lineup and just enjoying like the beauty of what it is right now. And what about you?
My intentions?
Yeah.
Just like I want to feel a backspin. I want to feel a backspin, and I want to feel the shuttle ride. Out.
Okay. Yes. All right.
Intentions.
It's out there. What number wave for you is it gonna be today?
Number one.
Number one.
He's one and done.
That's where it's at. Straight to the point.
So I'm gonna ride a little smaller board, 6'8". Still get the wave of my life on this board. Get in the mindset. Be ready. When that wave approaches, I go. I trust. I send. I conquer. Just keep it safe out here, pipeline. Keep it pretty good. Oh my god. That was like exactly the wave that I talked about before I paddled out. I had a cool moment out there where I was feeling really like quite nervous, and like I think I drank a little too much caffeine, and I was just like, just give me a sign when it's the right wave. And like shortly after that, I paddled over and I saw that double up. I was just like, oh my god, this is it. In the spot, just paddled as hard as I could. And there was a moment where I was like, uh-oh, like the GoPro must be crazy, because my view was like almost dry reef and all the caves and stuff. And I just had to do one like crazy, like just make sure my rail is in the wave, and I airdropped a little bit, caught, and just did everything I could to get under the lip. Barely got under it, and did a big pump. The breathe, like exactly what I wanted to feel. Just breathed me back so crazy. And then I went up in the air and it shot me out. And then I just got obliterated. But there was a second there where I thought maybe I was just gonna come flying out of that thing. It's so cool to have access to this house. Like come in, drink water, eat some a little bit of food and just be ready because it's just gonna get better and better. So I'm so stoked. Like that was
sick.
Obviously it would have been amazing if I made it, but
That was sick.
that was just like, I'm so stoked.
Oh my god.
Round 2. Survived off of a couple coffees and 1 banana and eat food right now. This is slowly evolving into a sea turtle out there. Got a couple sick waves though. Oh my gosh, that was an epic day. I feel like my favorite part of the day was playing with setting intentions, clear intentions. What do you want to experience in your day? What do you want to feel in your day? Doing it in the morning, doing it before crazy events like Pipeline, and seeing what I want to happen and what I want to feel, just kind of, it ends up kind of happening. And instead of stressing about the things you don't want to happen, focusing on those things you want to experience and feel. So that was my favorite thing today, being able to team up with Griffin, just have the best day ever, commit, get one of the craziest, scariest waves I've ever got at Pipeline. Overall, just a big success. So play around with that, it's been really helping me. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. We've been having so much fun making them. Like and subscribe. We got more videos coming your way. Cheers.